In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Maps API to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable connection that lets your workflows tap into Google's mapping features for tasks like geocoding, distance lookups, and more, all without repeating setup every time. Start inside your n8n dashboard. On the left-hand pane, open the Personal section, then head into the Credentials tab. This is where all your integrations live. So creating it here keeps your projects organized and secure. In the top right corner, click Create Credential to start a new connection. You'll see a list of available services. This is where you'll tell n8n what you want to connect. Use the search bar to look for Google Maps API. When it appears, select it and click Continue. Picking the correct credential type ensures n8n knows exactly how to authenticate requests on your behalf and which settings to expect, so this step is key to a smooth setup. Next, you'll enter the credentials required for the API connection. Typically, that means pasting in your Google Maps API key from your Google Cloud project. Make sure you have the right key for the features you plan to use, and that billing and access on your Google side are properly configured. Give your credential a clear, memorable name so it's easy to find later, especially if you manage multiple environments or projects. Keep your key private and restrict it on the Google Cloud side to the specific APIs and refers you actually use. That's a best practice for both security and cost control. Once everything looks correct, click for n8n will store the credential securely so you can reference it across any workflow without re-entering details. With the credential saved, you can now use this connection to create nodes in your n8n workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a Google Maps related node, such as geocoding or distance calculations, and in the Nodes Credentials dropdown, select the Google Maps connection you just created. From there, configure the node's inputs, like addresses or coordinates, and the node will use your saved credential to call the Google Maps API behind the scenes. This keeps your workflows clean, repeatable, and easy to maintain. And that's it. You've connected the Google Maps API to n8n, saved it as a reusable credential, and you're ready to build location-powered automations with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.